Hi guys, Nirali here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making the trending bread brownie recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe, all you need is 3 slices of bread, and I'm going to chop it up into small cubes. Once that is done, keep it aside, and in a non-stick pan add around a cupful of full-fat milk. Bring it to a boil, and then to that I'm adding my favorite chocolate. This is a milk chocolate, but if you want it dark, then you can add a dark chocolate as well. I'm adding 6 pieces. Once it's nicely heated, give it a nice stir. Make sure you're not burning the chocolate in the process. Keep the flame low at all times. Once it's nicely melted, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of drinking chocolate powder. It's completely optional, but it's going to give a nice flavor. Again, give it all a nice mix. Now add in the bread chunks. First let the bread soak all the milk, and then gently start smashing the bread pieces. It's all natural procedure. You don't need any guidance. It's a very easy peasy brownie recipe. Now to balance out the sweetness, I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so you would be notified every time I post such amazing recipes. Lastly, I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. It's completely optional, but it gives a nice taste. Serve it warm. I'm drizzling some chocolate sauce on top. You can also top it with some ice cream. Nothing goes wrong with some chocolate chips and a chocolate chunk. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. I come up with new videos every week. Until we meet next time, keep munching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description below. Bye.